Hi, I'm Brandon Crasto, and I'm studying my final year in civil engineering. I done my final exams just answered them recently, and now I am out here in this forest along with my friends, building a fence. So this is what we're working on here. We've lined up those sticks right here, and we've got a lot of volunteers for this trip, along with the famous Cecil.
No. So tell me, since you're in your final year, and what have you learned from the first year to the present year? Did they teach you all about how to save nature, or it is all about concretization?
I would say it is somewhere in between, but more tending towards more of concrete structures more than sustainable living structures, or something to do with research in sustainable things. So what we're doing here is basically we're using just things out of natural, whatever we're getting out from the forest, we're just using it for the fence. But like in my 4 years of engineering, I've never there is a topic, there is subjects there are a couple of subjects in the final year mostly, but we don't learn a lot.
They don't take you all out on practical.
No ways. They've never taken us out a lot. They've taken us to
surveys to show you all around the structures which are already built.
We never go on spot and do the work actually by our hands, and that is the most important thing. That is what's practical. There's one thing, there's observing you can do sitting in class also, listening to the teacher, listening to their opinions. Yes, there's a lot of knowledge, but then putting that to practical use is that's like a whole different thing, man. You can't just acquire the skill doing it the first time. You have to be practicing it, going out, doing things regularly, doing things like this, building a fence in the middle of nowhere.
And do you think in future, what do you expect that the present system should be? Should it be the same, or should it change towards nature friendly construction?
Oh, yeah. So my goal, my mission is to basically what I want to do. My dream is to work in the green building sector, and that is to do more with sustainable living and basically conserving energy and reducing the carbon footprint of what our places are doing, what the constructions and structures are doing. All those concrete structures, it's all adding to the global warming through carbon dioxide release and stuff like that. So it's very bad, and people should be finding more ways of using the land and incorporating the whole structure into the land, and conserving the trees instead of cutting them down, making space for your house. Build it around it, So yeah, I actually suggest that the government includes more of practical work. I wouldn't say include any subjects to learn about, include more practical work where you're taking students into the forest and some places like this, man. This is beautiful, and it's an experience.
You have a stream, you have the nature, and you are learning practically how to do a fence right here. I mean, in this 4 years of your education, I don't think you've ever done hard work as much as what you're doing right now. So this will be something, and I wish you all the very best, and more youngsters like you come forward as volunteers and support missions like this which are environment friendly. And kudos to you, and I hope you can encourage more youth with this video. Thank you so much.
For sure.
Thank you.